Hello everyone, welcome back to ICT class. Today we are going to see parts of computer. I hope you know what is a computer. What is a computer? Computer is a machine, that is computer is an electronic machine which makes our job easier, faster and better. So in last class we saw about types of computer and today we will see what are the parts of computer. So now we are going to see parts of a desktop computer. I hope every one of you know what is a desktop computer, right? So what are the parts of desktop computer? Monitor, mouse, keyboard and CPU. So what is a monitor? Monitor is a TV-like screen which is used to show you the things that you are doing on a computer. So the monitor is a display device, that is which is used to display you things that is going inside your computer. Okay, next we are going to see mouse. So what is a mouse? Mouse is a pointing device which is used to point the things that is appearing on your screen. So with the help of mouse we can draw, we can paint. So by moving a mouse we can able to draw and we can able to paint and we can also play games with the help of mouse. And the next part of computer that we are going to see is a keyboard. So what is a keyboard? The keyboard which has collection of buttons, that is it has a sequence of buttons which is also called as keys. In keyboard we have alphabet buttons, we have number buttons, we have symbol buttons. Some special keys also available in keyboards. The last final part and the important part of computer is a CPU. So what is a CPU? CPU is also called brain of the computer. Why we call them as brain of the computer? Because all other parts of a computer are connected to CPU and CPU controls all the parts of a computer. Like our human brain, what our human brain can do? It controls all the parts throughout our body. In our body, whatever parts are there that are controlled by our human brain. Similarly, in computer also CPU control all the parts of computer. So it is very important, that is why we call them as brain of computer. And where does this CPU lie? This CPU lie inside a CPU box. So this is a CPU box. So inside the CPU box we have CPU and all other devices like monitor, mouse, keyboard all are connected to this CPU. Wireless keyboard and wireless mouse is also available, that is with the help of our CPU we can also connect our wireless keyboard and wireless mouse. So what does this wireless keyboard and wireless mouse mean? A keyboard and mouse without wire is called a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse. It can be connected to our CPU with the help of USB. Okay. I explained you about parts of desktop computer. Now we will see what are the parts of laptop computer. So what is the difference between laptop and a desktop? Laptop can be carried anywhere, whereas desktop we have to sit to one place wherever it is there and we have to work there. Whereas the laptop it can be carried to anywhere and it is very light as compared to desktop. So this is the difference between laptop and desktop. I have explained you in our previous class, right? So we'll see what are the parts of laptop computer. So what are the parts of laptop computer? Laptop computer is also having screen, that is a monitor, and we have a keyboard. Keyboard means is used to type input. So we have a keyboard and instead of mouse we have touchpad in laptop computer. So this is a touchpad. Can you able to see this? This is a laptop computer in which we have screen and we have a keyboard and we have a touchpad. We can also connect our mouse to our laptop also. Okay. Next we are going to see what are the parts of other types of computer. What does this other type of computer means? We are going to see the parts of tablet and smartphone. So I hope every one of you know what are the parts of tablet and smartphone. So in both the device only touch screen is the part. So with the help of touch screen we can able to give our input and with the help of touch screen it is used to display you whatever we are doing. Okay. So this is a part of tablet and smartphone. So touch screen is the important part of tablet and smartphone. So what we saw today, we saw about parts of the desktop computer. So what are the parts of desktop computer? Monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. CPU is also called brain of the computer. Monitor is used to display the things that is there inside your computer. And what about a keyboard? Keyboard is used to give you input and mouse is used to point the things that is appearing on the screen. So these are the parts of desktop computer. computer. And what are the parts of laptop computer? Laptop have screen, touchpad and also keyboard. So touchpad, it works as a mouse similar to our mouse in our desktop computer. Okay, and touchscreen is the only part that is available for tablet and smartphone. Now let's move on to our book back exercise. So the first exercise that we have is fill in the blanks, choose the correct word. Okay, a desktop computer has 4 main parts. So dash main parts, they have given what we have to give, 4 main parts. The dash has key. So which part have lots of keys? So that is keyboard. The keyboard has keys. We can use dash to draw pictures on the computer. So dash is used to draw pictures. Our mouse is used to draw picture. Okay. And dash is also called brain of the computer. So which is called brain of the computer? That is our CPU. The mouse pointer is seen on the, so where do we see mouse pointer? We see mouse pointer on the monitor. Okay. So the next exercise is circle the parts of a computer. So you need to circle the parts of a computer that is available here. So can you able to see what is this? This is a monitor and you need to circle them because that is a part of a computer. So you need to circle them. And what is this? This is a keyboard. You have to circle them because it is also part of computer. And what is this? This is a keyboard that is used to play. This is a music instrument. So this is not a part of computer. So we should not circle them. Whereas this is a mouse. So this is also not the part of computer and we should not circle them. Whereas this is a box and this is also not a part of computer. We should not circle them. Whereas this is a mouse, this is a computer mouse. So we need to circle them. And what is this? At last it is a CPU. CPU is also a part of computer and you need to circle them. Okay. So the next exercise that we have is complete the names of the computer parts shown below. So here they have given the part of computer and you need to complete the name that is given here. So what is the first one? The first one is keyboard. Keyboard, keyboard. Okay. And the second part is mouse, mouse, mouse. And the third part is monitor, monitor, monitor. And the last part is CPU box, box, box. Okay. So can you able to see this? I have given spelling here. Please note it down. Okay. So and the last exercise that we have is tick the correct answer. All the parts of the computer are connected to CPU box. So all the part of our computer are connected to CPU box. You need to tick CPU box. Okay. Keyboard is used to type letters. So you need to tick the second option. The CPU controls the working of the computer. So you need to tick the second option. We can draw pictures on the computer with the help of mouse. So you need to tick the first option. The monitor shows image. So you need to tick the first option. A smartphone has touch screen. So you need to tick the last option. That is the second option. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you all. So at last we have a fun time activity at page number 24 and you need to take the pictures of the 4 main parts of the computer from the sticker page and stick them at the correct places. So at the end of your book you have pictures. So you need to take them and you need to paste it here. Okay. And you have other exercise also. Who am I? Match the part of the computer with the work it does. So here they have given the work of the part and here they have given name of the part of the computer. So you need to match the part with the work it does. Okay. So what we saw today, we saw about parts of the computer. So kindly do your homework and we'll see you in the next class.